What's going on, guys? I'm here at Rocky Point again. Actually, I'm trying the south side of the road this time. So you haven't seen these trails, I haven't seen these trails. Yeah, so I already sessioned this first trail, which is SwitchBlade. If you can see it up there, it's really steep. There's a few jumps, a lot less jumps than Drip Torch, but I definitely say it has that same difficulty, that same adrenaline rush that you get from a Black Diamond or Drip Torch, which is that other video. So I guess now I'll pedal back up this gravel hill and run it again, this time with the GoPro filming me. Okay, we're at the top. This is SwitchBlade. I'm gonna try it for the second time. I did it off camera for the first time just so less chance of damaging camera, gimbal, stuff like that. But yeah, this is a Black Diamond. Again, I've ridden it once, just tested it out. It has a few jumps. It's just mainly really steep, and I really hope that the camera can catch it. So here we go. Oh, it's so fun. Steep as shit though. This is steep. Okay, we're back at the top. Wow, that was a blast. If you go to Rocky Point and you believe in yourself, you gotta try out SwitchBlade, man. If you want access to these trails, just become a member to NWTA, and you can get trail forks and you get a trail map. Otherwise, this is a hidden trail, actually. So yeah, support them. They're a great organization. And now we're just headed back to the car.